Hi, I'm Olivia Aaron, SCA President, and we have an important message for Carlisle School alumni.
It's homecoming week here at Carlisle, and we are celebrating the Chief spirit.
Do you remember walking these halls and all the good times you had as a student?
Over the years, Carlisle has produced over 1,000 alumni who are smart, talented, and successful leaders.
Now we're calling on you to share the Carlisle experience with future generations.
Carlisle offers an exceptional education to students, and your support makes that possible.
Will you help us?
Last year, our alumni contributed $16,000 to the Carlisle School Annual Fund, and the class of 2020 challenges you all to beat that amount.
This year, let's try to raise $20,000.
Every alumni that makes a gift of $20 or more will get added to the Alumni Spirit Wall online.
Make your donation today and let's see that Carlisle spirit shine.
My future depends on your support.
My future depends on your support.
My future depends on your support. Will you please help us? Can you please help me? Please? Will you help us? We love Carlisle!